Hello, Wildcats. This is Miss Ivy here for Monday's Marvelous Book Talk. Today I am sharing with you The Third Mushroom. In this book, our main character Ellie is so excited that she gets to continue to spend time with her grandfather. He is a world-renowned scientist, but he is living in the body of a 14-year-old. So he does everything that 14-year-olds do. He stinks, he eats everything in the fridge, and he goes to middle school. He's not actually fitting in at middle school, but Ellie and her best friend don't care. They love that he's there and that they get to spend time with them. When Ellie and her best friend team up with Grandpa Melvin to create the best science project for the county fair, they are so excited with the way the science project turns out, better than they could possibly expect. Ellie loves to plan everything. She wants everything to be very predictable, but she's quickly learning that middle school is not something that you can always predict. So to find out what happens with Ellie, her grandpa, and the fair, check out Third Mushroom. This is Miss Ivy coming at you from your Wayside Library.